Hey, good afternoon, folks. This is another S Group Daily Review video. I think it's video 113, if I'm not mistaken. I just want to give you an update on how my account's doing and like an overall review of S Group. We got our earnings last night, so we made, let's see here, there we go, 0.37% on the money invested, so I made $67.30. Pretty decent day, guys. I did have some referral bonuses come in because the guys that are on my team, I get a certain percentage of their reinvestment. So I made $0 and I made 47 cents, and then off one guy and $3.27. So it just got added to my amount at the top here, the top right. I have $467. So this is money I basically have access to, guys. What I'm going to do in a couple weeks from now, I'm going to take this money out and enjoy it because that's part of the money that I made from my monthly earnings. Which, if we go down to the bottom here, let's take a look. Yeah, this is, as you see here, my monthly earnings has been reset. This is what I made so far. And yeah, guys, let's take a look here. Yeah, so I'm at 118.63 that I've made so far for the month. My month expires April 13th. So on April 13th, all the monthly earnings that is accumulated for all these three will get sent up to the top right here, and I'll have access to it. As you saw, my last video was something like $1,555, something like that. So that's how much I made in 30 days, guys. So hopefully I have another good 30 days of earnings. As you see right now, I'm at 24,200. So I'm hoping by when I get the money all up here, which should be somewhere around 1,500, I'm going to take 800 of that, throw it back in here, guys, and yeah, get this over 25,000, which I'm really excited about. And I will then be upgraded to the 80-20% tier. This is one thing I like about S Group, guys. It's almost like, think of it like you have, say, a job, and every single day of that job you're getting a raise, because what happens is that the Forex system trades. When it does its trades, it takes your total deposit amount plus your monthly income amount. So it takes both these and it trades off of that amount. So if this keeps going up, the trade amount that you receive every day is going to go up, because the principal amount you're trading with is going up, if you know what I mean, if you follow me. So it's really easy, guys. You just kind of, yeah, just fund your account. Well, first you sign up an account, and then once you're in here, you can see the different areas you can invest your money in. I personally have it in Forex, because when S Group started back in 2018, 2019, it was just Forex. I started in 2020, and it was just Forex back then. So they've grown to these other areas. They're going to be growing into other areas as well. So yeah, so I have all my money in Forex. So you just fund your Forex account with whatever you choose. Most people, when they start, like me, when I started, I want to test the system out. So I started at this bottom tier, which is $100 to $499. And I let that run for about 2-3 weeks. I saw the results were really good. Things were happening. And so I went ahead and started putting more money in. Eventually, over 6 months, I made it up to the 5,000 tier. I think I put 4,000 in, and then I made 1,000 over those 6 months. So I'm up here, and then I slowly started creeping up, guys. So it's going to be amazing one day when I reach this 50,000. I'm not too sure when that will be, maybe a couple years from now, but once I get to 50,000, I'll be making somewhere between $3,000 to $5,000 a month USD. So yeah, guys, if you want to have this type of passive income where you just have your money in and you just keep growing your account, you click on the sign up link down below. You can join my team, and I'll be more than happy then to reach out to you, or you can reach out to me. Send me an email. My email is in the description down below, and I'll be more than happy to answer any questions you have. And also, what else was I going to show you here, guys? So yeah, if you go to the finance section, I'll just quickly show this here in this video. I'm not sure if I touched on any of my other ones. This tab right here, this is where you do your withdrawals. So you enter in your amount, you enter in your S wallet, which is your own cryptocurrency wallet they give you, and you enter in your specific address, you hit withdrawal. That happens about maybe It takes about half an hour for it to show up in the S wallet, and then from there you can send it out anywhere. You can send it out anywhere to transfer the money to your bank account, which is what I do. And yeah, you can just enjoy your earnings, guys. It's a beautiful thing. I have a lot of people signing up underneath me, which I thank you, everybody that's watching the video that's already a member. If not, don't forget to click on the sign up button down below. You can sign up and register an account and start funding your account, start making passive income, guys. The best thing to do would be to start off with like maybe $100, $200 just to test it out so you can see what's happening. And then once you see it's happening, then you just go ahead and start funding your account, build it up, and try to get to these higher tiers. So you start making these higher tiers here. You start making thousands of dollars a month, like me, guys. So with that being said, I'm getting towards the end of my S group video. Don't forget to click on the sign up, the subscribe button down below, so you can subscribe to my channel and see all my updates and reviews and everything as I move forward. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.